Hello, dear friends. Welcome to our YouTube family. I'm so happy to see you here today. This is the place where beauty meets creativity. Every video is made with love for you. I'm grateful you clicked on this video. Let's enjoy some wonderful decoration moment together. Your smile is our biggest reward. Thank you so much for being part of our journey. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the magic. Welcome once again to our creative world. Look at this cake, it's simply beautiful. The colors are soft and dreamy. Every detail is made with care. The cream looks smooth and perfect. This cake feels like a piece of art. It's so elegant and stylish. The design is full of love. The flowers look fresh and real. Every spiral is crafted with skills. It's a treat for the eye and heart. The toppings are placed so neatly. The beauty of this cake is unforgettable. It's perfect for a special day. The layers look rich and fluffy, and the finishing is smooth like silk. This cake is dreams come true. It's make every celebration medical and magical. It's not just food; it's art. The sweetness is felt even before tasting. This cake is a gift for happiness. My channel is nothing without you. You are the heart of this family. Every view you give is a blessing. Your comments bring me joy. This channel is growing because of you. You inspire me to create more. I feel proud to have such loving viewers. Your support is priceless to me. Every like make this smile. You make this journey beautiful. My viewers are my biggest strength. I'm lucky to have you here. Your encouragement keep me going. You're more than viewers. You are friends. This channel is our shared home. We grow together step by step. I'm thankful for your trust. You're part of every success we have. Without you, this is just an empty place. Thanks for being my YouTube family. So guys, it's time to say goodbye for now. I hope you enjoyed today's decorations. Remember, your happiness matters to me. I will meet you in the next video. Stay happy and blessed always. May your days be filled with smiles. Take care of yourself and your family. Your support means the world to me. Keep spreading love and kindness. I will be back with more creations. Till then, keep smiling. Never stop dreaming and creating. May your home always be full of joy. Thank you for your time and your love. You are always in my prayers. Let meet again very soon. Until next time, be safe and happy. Goodbye, dear friends. See you tomorrow in the next video.